In this video, we will see subject pronouns with examples and tips. Before that, subscribe to Learn French. So, subject pronouns such as I, he, she, they, and in French, subject pronouns is je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. So first, je. Je means I. For example, je pars en vacances demain. Je pars en vacances demain. I am going to holiday tomorrow. And the tip is, je generally go with verb. If the verb starts with vowels or H or Y, then je change in je. For example, j'arrive, j'arrive. I am just coming. So next, tu and vous. Tu is used for singular and vous is used for plural, for feminine and masculine both. If you are talking to one person you know very well, then use tu. If you are talking to one person that you don't know very well, like boss, teacher, then use vous. For example, tu habites où? Tu habites où? Where you live? Vous pouvez entrer. Vous pouvez entrer. You may come in. And the tip is, when either verb is used with vous, then you have to pronounce z. Z. Like vous êtes. Vous êtes. If you want to know how this word is conjugated, then hit the subscribe button. Next video will come on this topic. Next, il, elle, and elle. Il is for masculine singular, elle is for feminine singular, and il for masculine plural, elle for feminine plural. For example, il est déjà parti. Il est déjà parti. He is already left.
Ils sont partis. Ils sont partis. They left.
And the tip is, il is also used to talk about weather, which we have already saw. If you want to see that, then watch the I button. So next is on. On is we. This is using informal everyday conversation. For example, on y va, on y va, shall we go? And the tip is, on can also use for someone or they in informal way. For example, on m'a volé mon porte-monnaie. On m'a volé mon porte-monnaie. Someone has stole my purse. And if you want to know how words get conjugated with subject pronoun, then hit the bell icon.